Sagittarius is popping. The song that's playing for you is Baddest. My fault. So whether you may feel like whether you got the baddest or you the baddest, or you got the baddest end of a situation, you got the short end of the stick, or somebody got the baddest, worstest part. You feel me? It's a word today. Look, you became aware, so you got some enlightenment that made you real emotional in regards to something you involve yourself with, or a space you are in. The space you are in, you real emotional because it's like something was revealed to you, and it was made, whether it was revealed to you in a landslide, and it's like you got hit like with a brick in regards to all the information or all the awarenesses you became aware of, putting you in conflict. You no longer looking at something, you engaging in something now because you've seen something in regards to a situation you were internalizing. You were nurturing something. Look, what you seen brought you out your head. What you seen, heard, felt, you feel me? Something happened. You thought about something. Or some enlightenment was brought to you. Look, some enlightenment was brought to you in some way, shape, or form. Whether this is a person bringing you some feelings, a movie bringing you some feelings, a song, whatever you do, however you receive. You receive something third dimensionally or fourth, fifth, sixth. And that made you become aware of something you were emotionally invested in. Brought you out of your head regarding the topic. And made you put the devil down. Now you got over something. Now you emotionally over something and you taking steps to your happiness. And so look, you got the sun and the moon out this month. You're the baddest right now, there, Sagittarius. Look what the fuck came out. Are you serious? I told you, you got an idea. If this is you versus someone outside of you, someone outside, look alive, Sagittarius. Wake up. Or you woke up. Now you alive. You feel me? Sun is on the bottom. Whether someone brought you an idea or you received an idea from your external realm, it was just like some you versus life communication. It was a message only you would see, and you saw it. And that made you become aware of something that brought you out your head in regards to expression and or things that were communicated towards you. Look alive, Sagittarius. Look, what I fucking told you, bro. Now you back in, you alive, you up. Good shit. You woke up in some way, shape, or form. Or if this is you versus someone outside of you, an emperor, some sort of high authority character and or figure. It doesn't have to be a person, but it can be. Something you may hold something to a certain standard mentally, emotionally, or just third dimensionally, something's held to a certain standard. And that brought you an idea or gave you an awareness that made you become aware of something you are invested in, and that brought you out of your head in regards to a situation. It's like something brought emotions out of you. Once upon a time, you may have been confused in regards to where to take your emotions or how to express yourself or just what to invest your feelings into. But now that you've seen something due to some enlightenment in some way, shape, or form, whether it was from your higher person, and now you are expressing your thoughts because you're out of your head. So if this is you versus you, you're expressing yourself. You're expressing your ideas and just your mentalities. You're being you. The best you can be. The baddest. You feel me? Look alive because a king just walked in the room. If you're a male or a queen just walked in the room. Your masculine energy is expressing the feelings your feminine energy holds, and that you are doing it to the best of your abilities. Whatever you are expressing, you got some sort of idea, whether it's an idea to invest in a new routine, invest in a new person, invest in new people, start new ideas, whatever it is for you. Put your shoe in the foot that fits you, foot in the shoe that fits you. And you no longer expressing yourself immaturely in regards to mentalities or just who you are. When you bring who you are to the table, this is what you're bringing now. Oh, well, this is the 2. This is what you're bringing now. 2, 2, 1. You did. This is how you come. You come in like the emperor in regards to the mentalities and things you express, or just your passions, and what you involve yourself with, and what you believe in. You dig me? Oh, there we go. Therefore, Knight of Wands in reverse. It's like you're no longer moving fast in regards to how you express yourself, or just expressing yourself, period. Because you know how you feel now, because you became aware of something. And what you became aware of, some enlightenment in regards to some emotions, brought you out of your head in regards to emotions or feeling, period. You may have not known what your feelings were, period, once upon a time, but whether, and now because of something was expressed to you, or because you became aware of something, it made you aware of your feelings for something, a space, a person, whatever you involve yourself with, or whatever you are emotionally connected to, because the moon is emotions, the mother of emotions, goddamn, you feel me? So it's like now you're moving different, you're moving accordingly. Death. You may have ended situations because of some enlightenment. No heart. See, I told you, you had no heart once upon a time. But now, because it's like something helped you find your feelings, or you found your heart now. You found life for something, or something brought you life, or you feel me? Like, you gonna have to let me know what you got going on, but I'm gonna fuck with you.